In this video, I will show you how to solve series parallel combinational circuit easily. So here there are 6 resistors. They are connected in series parallel combination with 50-volt supply. Before starting with the problem, I will just show you this maze. So we were used to find path in this type of maze when we were kids. So why I am showing this? Because in electrical circuit, the same case is there. You have to find path of the current. You have to think like that, from where current can pass easily. And if you know the path of the current, then you can solve any question of electrical engineering easily. So first of all, I will go through the question only. Here you have to find source current of the given circuit under normal condition when 10 ohm gets short circuited and when 5 ohm uh, resistor gets open circuited. So first of all, I will take the first case, A part, under normal condition. That means this is the circuit. So in this circuit, you can see that 7 ohm is in series with 6 ohm, and the combination is parallel with 10 ohm, in series with 2 ohm, parallel with 5 ohm, and in series with 3 ohm. So first of all, I will write down equation for R equivalent. R equivalent you can write like this: 7 in series with 6, parallel with 10, in series with 2, parallel with 5, in series with 3. So you will get R equivalent 6.02. If you will put equation all the values in this equation, so you will get current 8.29 ampere. Now this is the first case. In second case, the question is if 10 ohm get short circuited. So now this will be the condition. Now you have to think that from where current can pass. So here the total current I is there. So I will pass through this path. It will start from positive side, then it will go over here. Now at this particular point, there are two paths. So current will pass through 5 ohm also and 2 ohm also. Now from this you can see when current is here, it has three options to go. So I told you earlier that current can pass through the path which has minimum resistance. In you can see my previous video. So current will pass through this path only. It will not go in this particular branches. Then it will return to negative. So this will be the whole path of the current. Now from this you can say that 2 ohm is in parallel with 5 ohm, in series with 3 ohm. We are not considering any of these three resistors in calculation. So I will just show you equation that R equivalent 2 into 5 divided by 2 plus 5 is 2 ohm, and 5 ohm they are in parallel in series with 3 ohm. So you will get R equivalent 4.42 ohm, and current you will get 11.29 ampere. Now the third case. In the third case, the question is if 5 ohm resistor get open circuit. So here again you have to think from where current can pass. This is current. Now this current is going from here. Now at this junction there are two paths, this and this. But current cannot flow through open circuit as the path is open. So here current will go through this path only, and it will divide again and it will return to negative. So you can say that for this particular case, 6 ohm is in series with 7 ohm, parallel with 10 ohm, in series with 2 ohm and in series with 2 ohm. So we are not considering 5 ohm in this particular case. So I will just show you how to write equations for this condition. So here 7 ohm in series with 6 ohm parallel with 10 ohm in series with 2 in series with 3. So we are ignoring here 5 ohm resistor. You will get R equivalent 10.65 ohm and current you will get 4.69 ohm. So if you have any doubt, you can just put it in the comment. I will try to solve that. Thank you.